This was a deer. My first ever buck was a bow, and this means a lot to me. And so I'm going to put it on a wall plaque mount and kind of show you how to do that. And this is all we're going to use. This is Plaque Master. I got it from Orscheln's. You could probably get it from Cabela's or any other sporting goods store. It's relatively easy. It gives you everything you need. Tells you how much, what to cut, how to put it in. So once we get those antlers cleaned off, we'll get it put on. Alright, so I got skin off of it. Now I'll be able to come in, cut down, and come in the back and cut across. Alright, so I got the top cut off, got the brains out, but need to cut off all the meat. Then I'm going to put some salt on it overnight to dry up everything, and then get back at it tomorrow. Alright, so I did let the antler sit overnight in salt to try to dry it out. Right now I just put it in. I've been boiling it. Try to get some of that fat and muscle tissue off of there. Alright, we have cleaned up the deer skull. We boiled it, got all the fat, tissues, cartilage, all that stuff from around the antlers, cleaned them up, and now we have to get it to fit inside of this plaque. And what your antlers go inside, then this piece covers inside, and it's supposed to hold the antlers down and look nice. They do come with 2 screws, 2 to go into the back to hold the antlers, and then 1 smaller one for a set screw to hold the black plate in place. But right now the problem I'm having is it's just a little big on the bottom end around in here. I need to trim that up so it'll fit. So I'm going to go do that and we'll be back. Okay, so I got that trimmed up a little bit. I could probably go a little bit more to make it fit better, but I kind of like, I'm not looking for perfection. Since this is a littler buck and rack, I did have to trim down this black area just a little bit to get it to fit in there. It's not a perfect fit, but for cheap and easy, can't complain. And this slides in, kind of straighten it, and I think I can pick it up. Doesn't look too bad. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually push this down and put in that set screw, because it's pretty solid there, and we'll see if I want to do more. I could put the 2 in here, but I want to drill a hole in there first, a pilot hole, so I don't crack the skull. But I think if I get this tight enough, I'll have to look. I actually don't think it's going to go anywhere, so we'll do that, see what we think then. There's a little wiggle to it. I think, I don't know, I might check the depths of this. I think I could get, I might drill a pilot hole here, then put in one of these screws. I'm not going to go super tight on this. I think I'll do the rest by hand. I think that's pretty solid. So I'm going to leave it right there. It does come with a plaque that you could put on the bottom here, but I'm going to leave that. That makes me happy. So hopefully that was a quick and easy way that you guys can use to keep your memories of your favorite trophies on the wall without spending a big amount of money. So got it put up. Doesn't look too bad. Got it up next to all the arrows for all the deer I shot with my bow, and Grace was able to add hers, so doesn't look too bad.